Okay, so again, I've taken the whole course. So say Pre-Calculus 20 I'm teaching right now, and I've broken it down into concepts. Maybe I'll show that. Okay, so here is an example of a student's concept check. So this is formative. This would be like a practice I always tell them. And so some feedback that I provide them, I get them to mark it themselves based on an answer key that I create. So they do it. Sometimes in class we'll go over it, and they'll write down this is kind of a self-assessment. They'll write down their own feedback. And then I'll still get them to hand in, usually online or by paper copy. And then I'll give them extra feedback. So I'll check and see what they caught, what feedback kind of they give themselves. And then in red, I've kind of written some more correcting errors. If I need to add anything that they forgot, I'll give them feedback that way. So written feedback, big thing in my course. And then we'll do a summative concept check, which would be for marks, and very similar, usually isomorphic to what their formative is, obviously just slightly different questions. And I provide them written feedback to that as well. So that's feedback. And then another thing about feedback, I guess I do, I'm using Google Classroom Learning this year with all this online stuff. And so I will type feedback for their formative assessments of suggestions for them, things to think about, maybe what type of error they're making, help them correct it, things like that.